Today, we're diving into the 10 natural ingredients every home must have and their benefits. Turmeric. Known as the golden healer, turmeric is a must-have for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It strengthens the immune system, helps reduce joint pain, and promotes skin health. Add it to soups, stews, or a warm glass of milk with honey. When applied as a paste, it speeds up healing of cuts and acne. Ginger. Ginger is essential in every home for its ability to combat nausea, ease digestion, and fight colds. It's also a natural pain reliever. Boil fresh slices for a soothing tea, or add it to meals for both flavor and health. Chewing a small piece of raw ginger helps settle the stomach instantly. Garlic. Garlic is nature's antibiotic. It fights bacteria, boosts immunity, and supports heart health. Eating it raw has the strongest effect, but it can be cooked into nearly any dish. When crushed and mixed with honey, it becomes a powerful remedy during flu season. Honey. Raw honey is not just a sweetener, it's a medicine. It soothes sore throats, suppresses coughs, and has antibacterial properties that help heal wounds and burns. A spoonful at bedtime can calm nighttime coughs, and when used on the skin, it promotes faster healing. Apple cider vinegar. This multi-purpose staple helps regulate blood sugar, supports digestion, and aids in detoxification. Mix a tablespoon in warm water with lemon each morning to boost metabolism. It also works as a natural disinfectant for cleaning surfaces in your home. Lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. They boost immunity, cleanse the liver, and enhance skin health. Squeeze into warm water for a daily detox drink, or use the juice to preserve foods naturally and brighten dull skin. Aloe vera. The gel inside aloe vera leaves is a natural remedy for burns, cuts, and skin irritations. It's also soothing for the digestive system when consumed in small amounts. Keep a plant in your kitchen and apply the gel directly to your skin, or mix it into smoothies for internal cleansing. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is incredibly versatile, used for cooking, skincare, hair care, and even oral hygiene. It has antimicrobial properties, moisturizes dry skin, and can be used for oil pulling to improve dental health. It's a must-have for both wellness and beauty. Baking soda. This humble powder does more than rise bread. It neutralizes acid, soothes heartburn, and can be used as a gentle exfoliant. Mix it with water to relieve insect bites, or use it as a natural deodorant and household cleaner. It's a small box with endless uses. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is warming, fragrant, and medicinal. It balances blood sugar, improves circulation, and fights infections. Add it to tea, oatmeal, or toast, or mix it with honey for a potent immune boost. It's especially vital in colder months to prevent seasonal illness. These 10 ingredients are not just natural, they're powerful tools for everyday health, healing, and home care. Easy to find, affordable, and multi-purpose, they deserve a permanent place in every household. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-expanding educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.